This is the part 2 video. Open the printer, not recognize the USB. Okay, this is the old main board. That's the whole problem. The port is not broken, so maybe the chip is problem. Okay, this is the new. This is the new main board. Okay, and this USB. Put the power in. Okay, plug in the USB again. Okay, I can check with this. Go to computer. Okay, so now the printer is detected. Yes, right clicks. Okay. Properties. Printers. Okay. So this for printers is series. Okay. So now the print from the window printer test. So the problem is the controller board, or we call USB board or motherboard. Yes. Now it's working well. The port USB is no problem, not broken. But when you plug in the connector, you cannot see. They never cannot detect the inside here. Yeah. So now the printer is working. Okay. Yeah, I just one more page. Yes, it's working well. Thank you for watching.